What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the show. I'm your host, Remo. Have you ever gone on a cruise, left your room for a few hours, lost everything in blackjack, and came back to your towel in the shape of a neatly folded swan? Well, today, I'll show you how to make one that will impress your friends, family, and ex-wife. So, what is a towel swan without a towel? I have a variety of towels right here, and for the sake of this discussion, we're going to be using this lovely blue one. This one's a little bit big, so I'm just going to fold it out halfway through. Make sure your towel is like so. And the first thing you're going to want to do is to grab the corner furthest to you and just start rolling. You want to roll it to around the middle point of the towel. Make sure you get those sides too. Keep on going. And we're going to do it like around, like right here. I think right here is a pretty safe part. And you're going to do the same with the other side, you know. You're going to roll in. They see me rolling. They hated. They're trying to catch me folding dirty. So, going to fold the towel as so. And right now, it is like a towel airplane. Now, I don't want a towel airplane. I want a towel swan. What are we going to do? We're going to grab the corner of the towel like so and hold the other end of the towel like this. And we're going to fold it back like so, slowly and gently. In this part, you got to play around with. Got to play around with, squish them down. And there you go. There's your towel swan. You're done. It's made. I'm going to name him Benjamin. I really like Benjamin. Really fits him. He's a blue towel swan. And he's just the perfect little guy. And he's just amazing and awesome. So that's it. There you go. There you have it. An authentic swan that will make anyone feel at home. You can put him in the bedroom, in the bathroom, or even in the garage. I don't care. Just don't feed them right after midnight. It'll get stuck in their system. Tune in next week where I'll show you how to make a carpet out of dryer lint. Bye!